I have the Kobalt lawnmower. I got the Kobalt weed eater, and I just now purchased the Kobalt leaf blower. Hell, this blower blows 140 miles an hour, and they all use the same battery. So I ordered this offline, and I just got it in. So I'm gonna unpack it and show you how it operates. It's really simple. And I didn't order the one with the battery because I have two batteries at home. Those batteries are expensive. So I got two batteries, one for my lawnmower and one for my weed eater. And they're all interchangeable. So this thing comes with two pieces. You just snap it together. You want to take it off, you just press that button right there and it pulls right off. And it's only one way it could go on. So it clicks into place. And this thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the battery off of my weed eater. I think it's a 2 amp battery. The one for my lawnmower is a 2.5 amp. So they're interchangeable, so you can use either one. If this battery go low, you can take it and put the other battery on. And I'm gonna put in the description below the link to all three of these products plus the battery. So you just click the battery in place. There go your adjustment right there. The turbo, man, this thing is powerful. So you can check your battery level. As you can see, mine's went down a little bit because I've been using my weed eater today. So when it's got 3 green, that means it's fully powered. So I'm gonna show you how this works. You can just push this trigger right here and it locks it in place. You see, you keep pushing it down the faster it goes. And that's if you don't wanna hold the trigger in. And to turn it off, just push it back up. If you want to just use the trigger, just trigger it right here. It doesn't lock it in place. The thing about this is got that turbo. See, I'm gonna turn this on, lock it in place, then just hit that turbo. You want to blow some heavy stuff. Because that's a lot of power coming out. I drive my truck, my ATV off with this also. So let's go ahead and blow the garage out. This is where I store my food truck and my ATV and trailers. So we're gonna go walk in here. Got a lot of leaves. And I had a Stanley blower. That thing is useless. I threw it in the trash can now. But I got this Kobalt. So we're gonna blow this garage out, the storage building out. Check this out. But yeah, this thing is powerful. You know, sometimes you just have to get the good stuff. I've been messing around buying cheap stuff. I finally, hey, I'm gonna get me some good tools so I can blow my yard off in a few seconds instead of a few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.